Hello, this is Steve.
And this is TT.
I was about to say TT.
Yes, I'm TT.
I am trading people.
You is Steve, me is TT.
Me is
Did I say build you, Tom?
No one built me.
I have been given authority aboard.
I came pre-assembled.
Designed by the ISA.
Self-grow.
Corporation. Designed in California.
Oh, that's obnoxious.
But here on Europa.
And then you go through the door, then you suck it. And then you go through the door, then you suck it.
I didn't hear any of what you said. He said.
Have you heard of the Turing Test, Ava?
There's a guy there.
The test to see if a computer
There's a guy there.
successfully impersonated humans.
Hear my gun
The
noises.
original Turing
Dude,
test,
pay attention to us. We're
human
sexy.
judge has two conversations, one with a machine and one with another human. They then judge which
where'd
of
that
these
part come
polite
from?
conversations is with a machine
Oh, it's just
and which is
better.
with a human. The machine being tested is said to have passed the Turing test.
There's a box
If
down
the
below.
judge
I know,
Get
but
it.
I need to know what
determines
I'm
which
doing
conversation
first.
is with a machine and which is with a human.
Do you think you'd pass the Turing test?
I am quite capable of polite conversation. Wouldn't you say?
Yes, you're quite polite, Tom. See, get that thing and put it up in the thingy.
I'm just scouting out the level. I can't pull a U.
Well, you could pull me and then be done with this mission already.
What did that do me?
It got you through the door.
I could just climb the ladder.
Maybe you need it.
Maybe.
What good did all of your,
But that opened this. Okay, so what?
No, you need to suck that and put it in
What
that
is
one.
this? What's in here though? How big is this freaking level?
Big enough.
So I need to get the box over.
That's probably why you need that door. So suck that guy in
Okay.
and then put him to the right. In that little box to the right. You don't
Oh.
need to get there.
Oh, okay. And then wait. There we go. And then
Put him back.
no. 'Cause I take him out. Yeah,
And how are you planning on...
like that.
I like that he doesn't have a range limitation.
I know we our gun's amazing that way. And there we go. Haha, I got the brain!
Yeah, that was clever.
The Turing test has been criticized.
Oh,
Researchers claim
timer.
it does not correctly test a machine's ability to think, but rather its ability to deceive.
What do you mean?
There's a lot
Dang.
of condensing units.
Have you heard of the Chinese room thought experiment?
No.
Imagine you are in a room. In this room, you are passed Chinese sentences through a slot in the wall. Inside the room is an
same.
instruction book written in English. This instruction book tells you which Chinese words to pass back through the slot in the wall as a response. By doing so, you have a conversation in Chinese.
What's that for? Is
In
that
the
the
Chinese room, because the responses you pass back through the door are the correct
is there any button
responses.
with an up arrow?
The
Besides
person on
the-
the other side of the door is convinced you are a native Chinese speaker.
Well,
What is
they're
that?
wrong.
Oh, shift?
Perhaps
Oh,
they
it's just
are
shift.
not.
I think.
Because with the instruction book, you
Oh,
are
I
having a conversation.
see.
But the person stuck in the Chinese
down
room
here is
is
just a
not
book.
aware of the conversation's content.
This is the problem with the Turing test.
Why
A
can't I just-
computer can pass the Turing test, having convinced a human they are having a polite
I don't
conversation,
understand.
while the computer has no idea that a conversation has taken place.
Oh, there's got to be a
What if
control
both the
down
people
below.
passing Chinese words are reading from instruction books.
Is there?
There's got to be something floating around.
You would think that, but oh, I missed the stairs. But what's up here? It's an open door, isn't it? No.
Oh, do you need it?
understand.
Is there something farther back? Like, is there something you have to run through? In the door? Back in the back?
Can I take this?
know.
I don't understand. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see. Okay.
Well, that one took us an obnoxiously long time.
Yeah, that one was dumb.
I may be a machine,
I
but I personally do not believe I am stuck inside the Chinese room.
Right, you would say that. I could peer inside your databases at any time, Tom. Or pause your operation.
Do not assume I could not do the same to you.
Is that a threat, Tom? Are you threatening us? The heck was up with that?
Another AC room.
More condensing units, yeah. Alright, stop playing in there and go find something new.
What is the point of that?
You may have to block that door with something
I'm just
else.
thinking about life.
But you haven't looked anywhere. I thought you were into this whole scouting out the map thing.
I am scouting out the map thing.
But you haven't done anything.
You haven't done anything.
Of course not. You're playing.
Chair.
You gotta take that box, drop it through the...
I bet you I can't take it through here, can I? Never mind. Wait, what? Why can't I
Wait, there's a window there. Go back down.
There's a window right there.
Go back down.
Here?
No. Other side. Look where the arrow's going. There's a thing right there. Open that window. And then that guy's going through.
Oh,
so you need to find another box. Or a light that you can steal.
Wait. I don't know. I thought that would do something.
So you've got to find a way.
Did I... What's in...
Aha!
Ah! And then I bet you I take that light. I bet. Yeah, I bet. See, I got them smarts.
Is that what that is?
It is, yeah.
This is the crew's quarters.
Ooh.
It looks abandoned.
It's Captain McLean.
Very observant, Tom. Why didn't you tell us that they weren't here before?
Oh, he's got 2 rooms. Oh, that's special.
It's all the same room there.
McLean.
I see a picture of his family. There's a sticky note to the left. What does the sticky note say? Don't touch. This is the 5th time. Well, I'm sorry. It's not our fault.
Can I go in here?
No.
Can I touch the blue barrels?
Notice. I do not see the need for so many cameras. Tom's presence everywhere is slightly oppressive. I understand the need for transparency, but why is he in the toilets? Pervert Tom!
Yeah.
Pervert Tom.
He's like, I need to understand.
Why did they bother leaving notes like that? Is it to make Tom jealous?
Dr. Sarabrook. Chris McLean. Oh, does that mean they're related? Notice how that sign's lit up. Oh, this one is too. And this one's not. I don't understand that.
Hey, look, a door you can get in. Dr. Sarah Brooks and Chris McLean.
Oh, that scared me. Another one of these things. Whee!
That would be a radio.
It's a thing. It is a thing.
You're not
Nice
wrong.
Computer. Is that your mouse right there? Oh, is this alcohol?
Yes, clearly.
That is not alcohol.
It might be a vape machine. Enter the right code for the amount of puffs you want to take. Aw, fake flowers. She must be from Holland. Because we care. You know, I don't trust companies that say that. Honeywell has a little thing right now that they're saying the only thing we can't replace is
more
you.
alcohol vials.
Test tubes, doofus.
They're alcohol vials.
They are not. They're test tubes.
I want the... Oh, see, someone's been drinking some of them alcohol. More alcohol. Look. These are bigger alcohol vials.
Clearly you know nothing of alcohol. Those are more like pee vials. You've been playing with someone's urine samples.
Do you see that? That's alcohol piss.
Alcohol pills? It's alcohol piss. It's perfect.
I bet you each one... These.
No one can tell how old you are.
Do these say different things? Or?
No, they all say ISA cookbook. Which is funny, I'm pretty sure that's her name.
Sarah Brooke.
Hey look, rosaries.
I want alcohol.
There is no alcohol, you doofus!
There's an iPad.
It doesn't say iPad.
There's a crew pad.
Oh! He has not made his bed.
Oh, I was hoping he'd in there.
Oh, cool family.
Which one's him?
Do you want to build a snowman?
No!
Aha! Broken TV. Well done.
That's exciting.
Ooh, a flask. Is it empty?
So it's not Chris McLean.
Hey, you were looking for that alcohol. There's your alcohol.
Not necessarily. Someone can
Yeah,
have water
it's a
in
flask.
there. Yeah, call PAH! I'm gonna smack you.
Take that, Tom.
So was he a twin?
Those are his sons.
Oh yeah, one of those. Yeah, shut up. They're all pictures.
Drilling reports, audio logs on the roll here, ragtime.
Oh, you can't read
Transport,
that.
long week, forgot to take.
Okay, you can't read that. It's way too small.
Captain
Especially when you
McLean.
can do this.
I can read it, but you're going too fast. Uh-oh. Him and his wife no. Maybe it's him and his brother. Maybe he is a twin.
I told you.
Like you
Pretty
even
sure
knew.
the one on the left has a wife.
Or a
And then
girlfriend,
so-
or their mom.
Okay. I'm letting you say those.
Sochi Yui and Mikhail Takarev.
MD.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to that person.
Looks like they had an injection of some sort.
It's still-
Steroids.
Yep, steroids.
Blame it on the
I see scissors.
alcohol. Ooh. Bob Ross?
Yeah, no kidding. Ooh, lighters!
No,
No, those are,
paint.
no, never mind. I thought those were lighters at first. Never mind, shut up. I feel stupid. Wait, why does it say I can grab the top part?
It's just grabbing the bottle because it's a glass bottle. Looks like its
Wait, what is-
contents are empty.
It's morphine.
Yes, it is.
That's-
Addict much?
Hey, Bob Ross. Really Zugul capsule 50 meters.
I don't know what
Milligrams.
Rizzoli is.
Alpha Lab Biotics. Arcs only 50 capsules. Okay, I can't.
It's full
turn it.
still.
Yeah, I'm not looking at that.
Ooh. The whole team experienced nausea during a large electrical surge in Europa's atmosphere. I am concerned this was not an instance of mass hysteria. Vital signs were affected. It caused a uniform surge in heart rate that was detected in all members of the crew. I am reporting to the ISA.
To the ISA.
I reported the nauseous incident to the ISA. They offered an explanation of electrical disturbance to our central nervous system. That is ludicrous! An electrical surge large enough to affect our nervous system would have done more than make them feel ill. I am going to experimente with some shock therapy. I am not volunteering for that therapy. I have discovered that electronic fields disturb our telemetry implants in a way I didn't expect. I have contacted the ISA. Strangely, Tom was not comfortable with my attempts to disturb the implant. No D. The ISA have reported back informing me that I am not to disturb the implants. They have also encouraged me not to discuss this further with the team. Russian word. I am continuing to investigate. Maybe that Russian word means suck it. I have been running some experiments outside of Tom's view. I can tell he knows this. He has been acting differently around me, like an offended child. I feel increasingly nauseous. These implants seem to have neural connectivity. Out-of-body experiences are more frequent now. Oh, that's not good. I have established a definite correlation. Against my knowledge, I have been implanted with a device that affects my mind. I use the opportunities and regular health checkups to investigate the crew. We all have them. Every single one of us is implanted with some mind-altering contraption. Tom has been encouraging the team to worry about my mental health. He requested that I retire away from the crew. Misinformation. Russian word. I cannot will myself to investigate this further. I grow tired quickly. I cannot think straight. I am not sure if the implant is affecting my thoughts anymore. I believe it is trying to subdue my mind. I think I'm going to attempt an excision. I'm going to remove this implant. If it's in your brain, dude, not a good idea. I am typing with my left hand now. The excision went wrong. I have successfully removed the implant. Unfortunately, I lost my hand in the operation. Tom is very angry. The crew refused to talk to me. Apparently, I am a bad influence. Sarah patched me up. That's nice of Sarah.
Yeah.
I wonder if the nature of the organism and its disturbance of my DNA caused my awakening from Tom's influence. If so, that would make for a worrisome revelation. Perhaps this organism is not so friendly. Dan informed me the ISA have called for my termination. My masochistic experiment proves I am danger to the mission. Fortunately, he chose not to lock me in the brig. I am going to investigate this implant further. I have to hide my work. The team are becoming increasingly aggressive. They seem to oppose my work to understand the implant. It does not help that Tom is encouraging them to distrust me. I have discovered the nature of the implant. It is a complex computer. It interfaces with the human mind directly. It seems to condition the mind through Pavlovian and instrumental conditioning, eliciting feelings of euphoria when the wearer is obedient and dysphoria when they are disobedient. It also has the effect of suppressing impulses in the frontal lobe, presumably to lower free will. It seems to interface crudely with motor neuron cells through the cerebellum. It is my hypothesis that the crew is controlled by this implant. That is their strong aversion to helping me. I need a method of suppressing its impact. Perhaps a drug. Riluzole? We found that. Maybe an antidepressant to minimize the conditioning effects. Combined with a strong electromagnetic field, I could use one of the industrial electromagnets from the construction robots. I have managed to get Chris on my side. He has agreed to test some medical procedures with me in private. It will be more difficult one-handed, but I must persevere. I am hoping to keep this out of the eyes of Tom, though I have a feeling he will still be listening. Ooh. Things went creepy.
Yeah, I was just say, I bet you the captain or whoever's doing these experiments is the guy we saw.
Maybe.
Another radio, except for it's green. I bet you'd love this.
Yeah, it is my favorite color. Okay, oh wait,
Leonardo da Vinci. No,
isn't that Shakespeare?
We're
probably both wrong.
No, I was just being sarcastic.
All right,
wait. We have not been in here.
We have not.
Ooh, a violin. Is that a violin?
I think so. Looks like one.
Could
be a viola for all I know.
I don't do my research. Motion sickness relief.
Oh, okay.
Is this sir? I'm not reading all that. Wall. No, I don't know what that is.
Nothing.
Hey, look. Something. So is this Chris?
That's the Rizzoli. No, this is Sochi.
And he's a doctor.
Oh, and he's married.
He's married.
What a handsome couple.
Ooh.
And that's a ring.
Can I take it?
You probably don't. Ooh. Hi, Matthew. We've been studying organism 119. Please find attached scanning electron microscope image, which appears to show pilus formation. We hypothesize that this is a stress response due to high levels of radiation. We plan to infect a human cell line with organism 119 and perform irradiation experiments with flow cytometry.
Cytometry.
Would this be appropriate? It would be great if you could get the department to look at the SEM image. Kind regards, Sochi. Europa Field, astrobiologist. Hey, Sochi! It was great to see this image. Wow! Yet more complex life on Europa? Deinococcus reditorinus might be worth looking at, as it survives very high levels of radiation here on Earth. Similarly, you should consider looking at Sophotobus acrocrocra. Sophotobus acrocrocra produces pill in response to radiation and uses them to transfer dinner. Perhaps your organism uses a similar mechanism. Have you considered that organism 119 is transferred or scavenging dinner from a method of surviving radiation? As you well know, in terms of radiation, Europa receives 5.4 SV per day, over 300,000 times the level on Earth. It's over 10,000! The organism must have evolved such a high resistance to radiation as a necessity of survival. That said, the radiation beneath Theramecular is much lower due to the thick ice crust. Radiation experiments with flow cytometry.
Cytometry.
That's it. Sound like an appropriate course of action.
Scavenging dinner.
That's it. Keep going down.
Yep, scavenging dinner.
Hi, Matthew. We have attached an image confirming that organism 119 attaches to human cells. We will proceed with irradiation experiments on these cell lines. We propose naming organism 119 Europa Reticulus. What do you think? Soichi.
Sweetie.
Hi, Matthew. We have now run the irradiation experiments and can confirm that E. radiolaphus does indeed seem to confer resistance to radiation. See attached. We assume survival is due to DINA damage repair. We tagged various DINA repair enzymes with GIF and have found that DINA double-strand break repair is occurring. See attached GIF images. Sochi.
Sochi.
Hi, Sochi. Something's amiss. We don't know what is performing the repair. The lab doesn't know how good name, could repair DINA. Have you considered that another organism may be in a symbiotic relationship with perhaps a virus?
Machu.
We ran a PCR on the human cells exposed to see if there was a virus present. We have discovered an unknown virus, which we have named Unknown Europa virus. They're so creative. Gel electrophoresis images attached. Sochi. That is phenomenal. You need to sequence this, Matthew. We finished sequencing it. Data attached is a virus unlike any we have ever seen. Maybe we have found a cure for sentience, a form of biological immortality. We are running some long-term tests on plants and mice to see the effects. Sochi! Sochi! The plants are clearly exhibiting longer lifespan when exposed to the organism. We don't have the facilities here to continue testing. We are going on to human testing. That's always a great idea. We are going to use ourselves as subjects. It's the only way to accelerate progress. Sochi!
What about the mice?
They don't have me.
Oh, this is... Let's get rid of that.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Oh, it's a face.
It's a...
Get the dirt out of there.
All right, get out of it.
Oh, wait, no, that's not what I want.
You never solved the Rubik's Cube.
I want to solve it. That'd be awesome. Game-changing physics. What the heck? It changed.
Yeah, it did. Why did it change? There's nothing in there.
I wanted to close it.
No.
Can't open the closet. No one's in the bed. Really seems like there is, but there's not.
Oh, another thing?
Okay.
It's okay. So, what is it you found there, Sochi? Chris. We found an extremophile, i.e. an organism that can live in extreme conditions, that survives massive doses of radiation. Radiation damage is done. The extremophile has a virus living inside it. The extremophile scavenges DNA from other organisms, which the virus uses to repair the extremophile's damaged DNA. Essentially, they work together to survive in what's called a symbiotic relationship. Sochi! So, what's the implication? What does it do, Chris? In some ways, it is an immortal relationship. It doesn't seem to age biologically. Aging and death are ultimately caused by DNA damage. We have the ability to fix our DNA, but that ability is limited. This organism can repair damage caused by massive doses of radiation. If we could harness this power, we could potentially eliminate biological aging. This is known as senescence. Sochi!
So you found something that could make humans immortal, Chris?
Not exactly. There are many causes of death other than damage. It would not save you from trauma, from brain damage, from cardiac arrest, etc. But it could potentially cure cancers and many genetic diseases and massively increase life expectancy. Sochi!
Okay. Oh, nice watch. Ooh, retro. Wait, what does it say?
It says I'm a watch.
Is it a brand?
Volley? Molex? Whatever. Good enough.
Good enough?
Alright, everyone out.
Okay. You know, I'd say that.
Yep,
that is a
right
good
there.
place.
That's a
Chapter
great
2.
place.
Great place to leave it off. I hope you guys enjoyed. A lot of reading, you know. Crew's messed up. Got it.
Yep, bad things happen.
Soon.
Learn more later. So this is TT.
This is Steve, and have a good day, y'all.